Hey guys, my name is Mackenzie and I'm POB Science Coordinator. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a safer and less wasteful version of normal cleaning wipes. First thing you're going to need is a glass container, some reusable kitchen cloth cut into squares, 2 cups of water, Castile soap. Finally, you may choose to add some organic lavender oil or some organic citrus essential oil. I'm going to go with orange, but you can choose whatever floats your boat. Once you got all your materials, take out the glass container. You're going to fill the glass container with 2 tablespoons of Castile soap. Next, you're going to add 10 to 15 drops of your chosen essential oil. You may be wondering, why essential oils? Essential oils are a great alternative for a nice fresh smell in your cleaning products. Most companies add something to their product known as fragrance. This is a huge loophole term in the industry that companies use so they don't have to disclose the chemicals in their products, such as phthalates. And why should you care about phthalates? Anyways, back to the DIY, I added a few of those kitchen cloths into the mason jar. Okay, next step is you're going to add the water into the jar. Now's the funnest part, we get to shake it up. Come on, shake, 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 shake it. And there you have it. When you want to use the cleaning wipes, just take one out of the container, squeeze out the excess liquid, and you're good to go. So fresh and so clean, clean. Make sure to follow POB on all our social media for more great DIYs, and thanks for watching.